Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can draw a staircase using the Plan7Architect software. We'll be working with an example room in construction mode, and we'll go step by step through the placement, the fine-tuning of its dimensions, and the 3D settings, so that the staircase will later fit perfectly into your building. To begin, I have prepared the example room, and I am currently in the construction mode. At the top, I will select the stair function. On the left, various staircase types will appear, and I'll choose the L landing staircase, which I will now draw into the room with 3 simple clicks. First, I click the starting point of the stairs, then the point where the stairs are supposed to turn, and finally the end point. And just like that, the stairs are placed. If I want to define the exact dimensions, I click again on the starting point and enter the measurement in the keyboard from where the staircase should turn. Confirm with Enter, and then the final measurement with Enter. Once the staircase is finished, I press Escape to complete the input. Now, I'll also show you how to draw a U-shaped spiral staircase. That also works with just 3 clicks. First, I set the starting point, drag the staircase to the desired length, and then set the width. If that's okay, I'll finish the input with the Escape key. If I want to adjust the staircase more precisely, I switch to the 3D mode for inspection. There, I click on the staircase and go to Staircase in the upper left corner. The stair settings are now opening. Here, for example, I can disable the automatic stair function. Furthermore, I can configure it so that the beginning and end points are not fixed. Then, I can manually adjust the rise and tread width, and the staircase will automatically adapt accordingly. Additionally, I can adjust the stair height, determining if they start or end at a higher or lower point. I often leave the stair type as it is, or I select a different one here. Under the Railings tab, I can choose between various railing options. First, I choose whether the railing should be on the right or left side. Then I click through the available types to pick a design I like. The ceiling opening is also important, so the staircase actually passes through the ceiling into the next story, and Plan7Architect usually creates the correct opening automatically. If I want to do it differently, I go to the options and select Slap Opening. There, I can choose, for instance, the entire staircase outline, or I can consciously decide against having a ceiling opening at all. In that particular case, I can later use the ceiling opening function in construction mode to draw the opening myself. For example, if I prefer that you don't directly see the first step of the staircase on the upper floor. With that, the staircase is installed, and the stair opening has been prepared. Once we later add an additional upper floor, the staircase can be neatly guided upwards through the ceiling opening, and it will also be correctly displayed and visible within the 3D mode. With these detailed steps, you can easily draw a staircase in Plan7Architect, fine-tune its appearance in 3D mode, and if necessary, adjust any ceiling cutouts or openings accordingly to fit your design. Until next time, good luck with all your building projects.